Hello, I'm Kay Nelson. I'm the garden coach at Northhaven Gardens. I'm a Texas certified nursery professional, certified by the state, and I'm Rosemary Circle of the Herb Society of America. I have over 45 years experience in horticulture, and I love working with plants and people. I became interested in plants when I was working in an office and realized I wanted to be outdoors, and found out that if I was smelling something good, I couldn't be thinking anything bad. So I started with aromatic plants and herbs and landscaping at my own home at the Arboretum, worked for an architectural firm that gave me a good background. The best part of the experience is going to a customer's home, is coming to your home and helping you with your garden and seeing the improvement that it makes in your lifestyle and how much happier it makes you. I know when I look outside in the winter and see a pot of color and herbs, it makes me happy, and I want you to have the same experience. Sort of place myself in your home and see what I think would need attention so that you can improve the quality of your life by having flowers and herbs and low maintenance and easy care plants that are beautiful year-round. I'll notice things that perhaps you hadn't given any consideration to, like where you place a bird bath or a piece of sculpture or a piece of art. And of course, when you do the drainage, how you can make that aesthetically pleasing with a dry riverbed and boulders. Adding hardscape into the landscape will really make a difference. See how much of your garden you would like to be involved in, or if you need help with the heavy work, we have a concierge list of landscape companies, but we can get started, give you the overview so you'll know how to maintain what you have and what you want to be able to do yourself.